We have a list.
CIS 160 is Learn to Code in Python. It's a math gen ed course for a student to build coding skills to apply to problems they'll encounter in their day-to-day life.
If you're like me, you like a lot of video games. It's a good basis of how they're kind of made and how computers run.
So should we have seen one?
I don't have any experience in programming, so I wanted like a really baseline class and get a good understanding of it before I go further.
This is an alternative math gen ed class. Students are going to apply logical thinking and problem solving skills to solve problems that they're likely to encounter in their day-to-day work.
It gives you a lot of good knowledge and insight into things and computers. It doesn't include a lot of math like statistics does.
It's an easy way to start learning about technology with the technology advancing and how it's growing every day.
You really get to put to use what you're doing, and it's really rewarding when you actually do something right.